Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to create an estimate and also understand what kind of bills you'll be seeing out in market and be able to generate an estimate from those. So here we go, we've got our create estimate button. You can reach that button no matter which tab you're in the main job screen. So we hit here, click create estimate. Now the first screen that you'll see is the bill scraper. You can upload a PDF of a bill. It can't be a photo. So a PDF of a bill, and our bill scraper tool will try its best to extract all the information that's relevant. So the customer's details, first name, last name, for example, address, and their billing information as well. So you can drag and drop into here, or you can click to upload, and both ways will work for you. We're going to enter a bill in manually. So we go continue. Let's build your estimate. We need the customer's first and last name. Now, if we're doing a test one, always put test in the first or last name, or both. It's up to you. For email, we need a unique email for every premise. So if a customer has two addresses that you're doing the estimates for, you need a separate email for each one. Now, a quick way to do that, for example, if we had John Smith at gmail.com, for example, that's their main email. What you can do there to differentiate between the two different sites is add a plus and a number after that. That'll create an alias within our system. That email, when you send the contract, should go out to that same address, johnsmith at gmail.com. Just means that the +1 is an alias that allows our system to see two separate premises, even though they're technically the same email. So we're going to put John Smith +123. Mobile number doesn't matter, and then we're going to use the address finder here to get the right address. We're using 1 Minchinbury Street in Eastern Creek, and you'll see here it's populated street, city, postal code, and state for you. Now, network, you're going to find that on the bill under faults and emergencies, so usually on the first page. I know that this address is an Endeavour, and this customer is an AGL customer. Any sorts of rebates will be showing up in here, so you can select yes or no. Ignore the specify estimate retailer. You won't see that on your on your portal. And then property type is residential. When we have a commercial option, you'll be able to see that there. Also on your portal, you'll only be able to select solar and battery. Now, if you've already had your panel brand selected by the company owner or the admin, that should show up here. There is a list of the different types of panels, so in case you need to change that, but all your default estimates should be under that panel brand. And do you know how big your system will be? Ideally, no, because we want our system to recommend what size is going to be appropriate for this customer. Great, and then we've got use my energy bill. That will be the only option available to you. So we go continue. Now, kind of rates you're going to see. You're going to see single rate, step rate, 2 rate, or time of use. Now, single rate is just when all their energy is charged at one price. And to show you an example of that, this one here, you'll see FlexiPlan, home, peak consumption is all charged at the one price. This customer also has controlled load as well, and that's charged at a separate price. So if you see dedicated circuit or controlled load or anything like that, that is a controlled load rate. I'll show you how to enter that in. If it's a step rate, it means that their electricity bill has different rates for different bands of energy that they're using. So you'll see here on this diamond bill, first 100 kilowatt hours a month is charged at one rate. When they go over that, the next band is charged at 40 cents, and then over that is another 40 cents as well. So when you see those step rates, there's an option in there to put the different kilowatt hours and the rates that you've got there as well. And then we've got a 2 rate bill, which is essentially off peak and peak. So you've got on this bill here, you can see there's a peak rate and there's an off peak rate, also a controlled load on here. And then last of all, you're going to get time of use. So your peak, shoulder, off peak. That's the way to identify the different types of tariffs that you're going to see on the electricity bill. And then you can go ahead and put the information in. On the next video, I'll show you how to input all the information and also use these buttons, controlled load, demand, and existing solar. See you then.